and we're at Scrabo in the South Quarry, standing on the quarry floor looking at the sandstone walls. The rock that we're looking at now belongs to a geological period called the Triassic. In terms of our time series, we've moved forward around about another 90, 100 million years from the limestones at Castle Espy. But our environment has changed again. So if we were standing here around about sort of 230 million years ago, it would be very, very hot indeed. So the seas, the Carboniferous seas, have long gone, and what's now in the north of Ireland is sitting roughly where Morocco is today. So things are still very, very nicely hot, but also very, very dry. So we're really looking at rocks that were formed within a desert environment. And when you look at the rocks in detail, you can see cracking mud cracks that you can find in precisely the similar environments today. The volume of material, or the height, thickness, I suppose, of material is absolutely stupendous. Now, this is a rock type that we do find down on the Strangford Lough shoreline, but obviously at Scrabo, it's still forming a hill. And basically, if we roll the clock forward through to around about 60 million years ago, we've left our desert environment behind, and we're now experiencing that extreme period of volcanic activity that's given us the Antrim basalts in particular. At Scrabo, we do actually have evidence of desert life during this Triassic period. Now, not preserved as fossils, but simply as footprints that have been left behind in these drying muds as the lakes were beginning to dry out. Three-toed and four-toed reptiles, the very famous Scrabo reptile thing called Chirotherium, but also smaller things. Scorpion tracks have been identified here as well, one of the very few places worldwide where scorpions from this geological age have been identified. So it wasn't a lifeless desert.